What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be talking about how to stay motivated after losing money in the stock market. So, as you can see, in the past 3 days, I've been losing money consistently. It's been like a few percent every day. And honestly, I figured out how to not get down by that. There's so many things I want to tell you in this video, but before we get into it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it a lot. And if you guys don't know what I am doing currently, I made a challenge where I start from $200 and I grow it to $1 million, which will take around 5% every week for 3.5 years consistently. Alright, so let's get into it. So the thing I wanted to tell you guys is, if you want to stay motivated trading after you make a lot of losses, as you can see, I've been consistently profiting for like the last 3 weeks. And then there's just this huge downturn. Well, huge. My account fell by like 5% or 6%. And how I stay motivated is that I just think about the endless amount of opportunities that I still have in the stock market. The stock market is a vast place with many stocks that have really simple patterns and things you can trade. Oops, that was an accident. So many things that you can trade, and there's so many stocks you can find that will just make your money back if you just be patient and invest in things that you understand. So what I mean by this is, right now with DWT, it's been the one that I lost most of my money on. So what I wanted to do with this stock is I bought it in right here, and I was hoping for the swing because it was at the support right around $10.08, I think it was right at the support, ready to bounce. And already, as you can see, it had a little bounce right here. I was hoping for it to bounce up to at least like $10.50, which would have been like a 5% gain. And it ended up tanking down to $8.80 today. But why I'm not mad about this is, if you look at the overall pattern, it's reaching its last resistance right around 860 or like 850. So there's not much more that it can go down. So there's nothing to worry about. I would personally not cut losses anymore because it's too late. There's no point, because any day it's going to, even maybe tomorrow, I'm going to wake up in the morning, it's going to be green, and it's going to go up by like 3 or 4%. Who knows? So right now it's too risky to cut losses because it may go up anytime. And there's not much loss I can cut, which is like, I don't know, 2% or 1%. So it's not that bad. I've already lost like 10% on the stock. But when it rebounds back up, I'm hoping to make my money back and even some margin on top. But that may take like another week. So happily I didn't invest all my money into it. I only invested $114, and I still got like $100 to work with, $110 to work with. And the most thing I'm happy about is ticker symbol TVIX. TVIX is fantastic stock. It's one of the stocks I'm telling you, they have endless opportunities in the stock market. This is one of them. This stock has been recently showing a pattern that has support at around $34, $35, and it's been bouncing from there up to around $50, $55. So if you were to capitalize off that, you were bought at the support at $35, sold it at $50 or $55, that'd be over a 50% profit margin on this stock. 50%, that's right. So I'm planning to invest in around maybe 100 or more once I sell my DWT shares. So I would invest in minimally 100. So 50% of that would be if I'm lucky. Well, if I'm not lucky. I mean, that's not what I mean. Sorry. What I mean is that if the stock goes with the pattern that it's been going with recently, like it continues the pattern and the cycle, then it's a 50% profit margin. So it means I make around $50 from this trade. And that would boost my account up to way more than what I lost. I only lost like $10. So I would be on the plus side of around $40, and that may only take like a week. I believe that next week, because this stock is already ready to break out. It hit the support the last 2 days, and now it's starting to get ready to break out. And probably it's going to just, in a few days, it's going to jump up to its resistance at around $50, which is a massive opportunity. For those who aren't interested in ETFs or stuff like this, then go ahead, you don't have to trade this. But for those who are, this I would recommend is my top stock to trade next week. I was still watching it this week because just in case it went up this week. Still might go up a lot tomorrow, but who knows. But that's my top stock for especially next week, because I think next week is the time that it's going to like mature and actually hit its resistance. So yeah, I'm just planning to wait until the cycle runs on my DWT shares. Sucks there's no dividend. I probably would have cut on some dividend, but doesn't matter anyway. So I'm just waiting until it bounces from here. Today had a pretty big bounce, but right here in the morning, but that doesn't cover all the profit margin it has. So I would probably sell my DWT shares at $10 or even $10.50 for a slight profit margin. So that'd be around, I don't know, my math skills come in, around $5-6 of profit margin, because my average buying price was around $9.85. So that's basically it for this stock today. And that's basically for this stock talk today. I'm sorry that I was a little bit long today, but I'm going to try to make it more short. And before I leave, again, I really appreciate it if you guys enjoy my uploads. If you guys could hit that like button, smash it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out a ton. And we're getting so close to that 300 subscriber mark. If you guys could help me out, it would be awesome. So, last thing. Oh, wait, the stock's pushing up. What's up? Alright, yeah, DWT went up by 3 cents. Okay, so, and if for those who are interested in starting a Robinhood account and starting to grow their money on there, you can follow me on my journey. You can also put in some money and follow me. Well, not follow me, but like trade along with me. And we can just see our portfolios grow. And if you're interested, you can get a free stock from Robinhood. And this is legit. I've gotten a few myself. There's some free stocks that you can get. They can reward you even some shares of Apple. There's a small chance, but there's a chance you can get Apple shares. So I'm going to put a link in the description. If you use that link, and the only thing you have to do is use that link to sign up for Robinhood, then you'll get a free stock, and it could even be Apple. And I'll also receive a free stock, which could be Apple as well, or even some smaller stocks, which is still like a free $5-10. So why not take that, just by using a link. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had a fantastic day.